welcome to my channel Saraswati Studies and Fun. This video is related to lecture number 1, class 9, history, lesson number 1, sources of history. The meaning of history is study about the past. So how we know about past? We know about the help of different evidence. Know that many historical documents that are recorded and preserved are known as archives. Main office of National Archives of India is located at New Delhi. It is largest among the archives in Asia. Now we will learn about written sources of history of post-independence era. We will focus on three main written sources of post-independence era. First is newspaper, second is Press Trust of India, and third is postage stamps. As we know, there are many written sources that tell us about post-independence era and include newspaper, periodicals, diaries, reference book, correspondence, document in the archives, postage stamps, government gadgets, and encyclopedia. Now we will start our journey about the first written source, that is newspaper. Newspaper play an important role in our life because they are major medium of information that tell us about different news and different information. Newspaper not give information about our state or country but also the news of international level. You know that newspaper not only give information about human life but also give information of different topics and different themes like art, sports, politics, literature, and social and cultural affairs. You notice sometime that with newspaper one extra supplement comes. That supplement comes once in 7 days or once in a month. This tells about important news and information about the period, like in weekly newspaper that tell about all information that happens in week, or if supplement that prints annually, so over the year all the important event that happen it tells about it. We will see about Press Trust of India. Now you are imagining about the role of PTI. So PTI has a very important role because PTI is largest news agency that provides reports, photographs and articles on financial and scientific issue to newspaper. You know that PTI has started online service with the help of satellite broadcast technology to send news all over the country. Now we will observe the beautiful images. You observe that when we send any courier or mail, we paste a postage stamp. As we see, this postage stamp has different themes or topics of different logos. It tells that a person in his particular time was very important. Postage stamps are issued by postal departments and reveal about the changing times due to variety in the size, colors of stamp. It tells us that over the period of time how many changes happen and how many people get importance. They throw light on themes like flowers, political leaders, the silver, golden and diamond jubilees, etc. You know that in Maharashtra history, what was a big contribution on postage stamp and biggest study on J.L. Cooper. J.L. Cooper was an internationally acclaimed philatelist, meaning expert on knowledge of postage stamp. The Indian government issued the J.L. Cooper in 1977. J.L. Cooper started collecting postage stamp as like a hobby, but after he started it like a job. He was the founder of the first philatelic bureau in India and founded the Empire of Indian Philatelic Society. Now it is time to recap. In this lecture, we have focused on three written sources of post-independence era. First is newspaper, second is Press Trust of India, and third is postage stamps. Newspaper contain matter related to human life and gives us information about art, politics, literature, etc. Press Trust of India provides reports, photographs and articles on financial and scientific issue to newspaper. Postage stamps tell us about the changing times due to the variety in the size and colors of the stamp. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and share to our video and subscribe to the channel. And also press to the bell icon. And lecture 2 will come soon.